Have you ever looked at a picture in an English exam? And your mind just goes blank? Total silence. No words. Just panic.
Describing pictures is essential for exams like IELTS speaking, PET, and many school oral tests. But it's also a life skill.
Exactly. Imagine traveling abroad. You want to describe a beautiful beach, a busy cafe, or even show a photo to a friend. If you can describe pictures well, you can describe life.
So today, we'll help you improve your English step by step. From super basic to impressively advanced.
Welcome back to Marin English Lab.
In this lesson, we'll guide you through 4 levels. A1, Basic Description. A2, Practical Daily Situations. B1, Storytelling and Feelings. B2, Advanced Analysis and Big Ideas.
Think of it like leveling up in a game. Each level gives you better vocabulary, better grammar, and more confidence.
And at the end, we'll share our master secret to practice at home.
Ready? Let's begin with level 1.
We see a simple bedroom.
Yes. It looks clean and quiet.
There is a bed. The bed is near the wall.
There is a desk. The desk is next to the bed.
There is a lamp on the desk. There is a window behind the bed.
Before we move on, notice how we used some important position words. Next to, very close. Behind, at the back. Near, not far. These are called prepositions of place. They help you explain where things are.
Here is your A1 formula. There's plus singular noun. There are plus plural noun. The blank is next to, behind, or near. Short sentences. Clear structure. Simple words.
Now that we've mastered objects and position, what happens when people enter the frame? Things get more interesting. Let's level up to A2. This picture shows people in a coffee shop.
Yes, and now we describe actions. A woman is sitting at a table. She is working on her laptop. A man is drinking coffee. He is wearing a black jacket. Another woman is talking to him. She has long brown hair and she looks friendly.
Let's zoom in on some useful phrases. Working on something. It means doing or focusing on something. Looks friendly. We use looks to describe appearance or impression. Wearing. We use wearing for clothes. Instead of saying she is friendly, you say, she looks friendly. It's softer and more natural.
Here's your A2 formula. Subject, plus, is or are, plus, verb ing. For example, she is drinking. Or, they are talking. Use he or she has, for appearance. And use he or she is wearing, for clothes. You are now describing action and people.
So far, we described what we see. But what if we describe what we think?
Now we move into storytelling. Welcome to B1. In this picture, we see a person hiking in the mountains. It's foggy and mysterious.
The person seems to be hiking alone. He might be exploring a new trail. It looks like the weather is cold and foggy. He could be feeling excited, but also nervous. The path appears difficult. This moment feels peaceful, yet slightly dramatic. Before we move on, notice how we used speculative language. Might, or, could. These words show possibility. In other words, might and could mean maybe. Seems, or, appears. We use them when we are not 100% sure. For example, seems is like saying, looks like. Peaceful. This means, calm and quiet. And here's a stronger word. Instead of saying messy weather, you could say harsh conditions. It sounds more descriptive.
Your B1 formula. Phrase number 1, it seems that. Phrase number 2, he might be. And number 3, it looks like. To express feelings, use, he may feel. Remember, at B1, you move beyond facts. You add interpretation and emotion.
Now imagine the picture is not calm, but chaotic, complex, symbolic. Let's enter advanced territory. This image depicts a chaotic street protest filled with movement and intensity. The atmosphere feels tense and emotionally charged. It strikes me that the crowd is expressing deep frustration, possibly in response to political or social injustice. The dramatic lighting, combined with raised hands and bold signs, creates a powerful sense of urgency and collective resistance. Nevertheless, the image also illustrates unity, as individuals appear connected by a shared purpose. Consequently, the protest seems not only chaotic but symbolically hopeful, representing the human desire for change.
Let's zoom in on these advanced words. First word, chaotic. Definition, completely disorganized. Basically, chaotic means out of control. Next, emotionally charged. This means full of strong feelings. Then we have collective resistance, which is a group fighting against something together. And finally, symbolic, meaning representing a deeper meaning. Instead of saying very noisy, say intensely chaotic. Instead of people are together, say united by a shared purpose. That's B2 vocabulary.
Here is your B2 formula. Phrase 1, it strikes me that. Phrase 2, the image illustrates. And phrase 3, the atmosphere conveys. Also, remember to use connectors, such as nevertheless, consequently, and furthermore. At this level, you analyze the big picture. This includes symbolism, mood, and message.
Here is the master secret. Practice with one picture per day. Start at A1. Then describe it again at A2. Then B1. Then B2. Train your brain to upgrade the same image.
And record yourself. Listen again. Ask. Did I add feelings? Did I speculate? Did I analyze the bigger meaning? Growth comes from repetition with awareness. If you found this lesson helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to support the channel. Thanks for learning with us today, and we'll see you in the next lesson.